I'm just going to make you a quick video to show you how to freshen up flowers. I was given these flowers by Mike for my birthday, which was now nearly 4 weeks ago, and they've lasted incredibly well. But as you can see, the roses now are looking really sorry for themselves. Some of the plants here, like these, have died, and this is looking like very dry, the kindling. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out the dry flowers like the roses. In fact, let's get them all out. It's quite a messy job this. I probably should have put some newspaper down. So I'm going to take out all the dead flowers. Okay, the chrysanthemums usually will last, because I think I can get another couple of weeks out of these. I may be able to go around the garden and just have a look what's growing. But as you can see, a lot of the chrysanthemums have got dead leaves on them. So we'll need to take these off, and I'll need to cut them back. And just bear with me, I'm going to switch the kettle off. Let's lay plans. Let me put the kettle on. Okay, back to the flowers. Okay, so I'm just going to take the dead leaves off the chrysanthemums, and then I'll just take my secateurs and just tidy them up. So if we go over here, I'm just going to cut into the stem and cut it sideways like this. And probably cut off some of the lower flowers as well, like that. And then pop them back in the water. I'll need to get some fresh water when I'm finished, because the water has been in about a week. I changed the water and gave them some feed about a week ago, but I will freshen it up again. So again, I'm just going to cut through them at an angle. Well, I think we'll get a bit longer out of these. They still look pretty good. The white chrysanthemums particularly have been very good. Same again, just cut through them, take the dead leaves off. Surprisingly difficult how you can film and actually do the much harder than it looks. I should have got Mike to film. Okay, so there's the flowers are looking nicer. These are all dead. I can't really resuscitate those. You can see these ones, I might just be able to resuscitate that one, but that's unresuscitatable now. So quite a lot of these. That one's not bad. That one's not bad. Whoops, actually it's incredible that these, I find that autumn flowers last much better than summer flowers, whether it's because it's cooler at this time of year, but something about the flowers have a lot of sticking power. So I'll just tidy the rest up, get the dead leaves off them and pop them in the water. Oops. Okay, and just these 3 legs, just do the last ones. Just snip through the stems. Pop these in. Just gives them a bit more, just ekes my flowers out, because I've got a garden full of flowers, I don't actually get given flowers very often, so it's a special treat when I do. But you know what, I still love to receive flowers. It's a lovely gift. So let's just pop up last one, and I'll probably need to get some fresh water and just give them a bit of a rearrange. Maybe cut them a little bit more, because this one's a little bit on the long side. But as you can see, my flowers still look good. They're going to last another week at least. I've got a lot of dead flower to get material to get rid of. All this can go on the compost heap. So I just need to tidy up now. So thank you for watching. So if you've got some flowers and they're looking a bit sort of past their best, don't give up on them completely, because you'll find probably 50% of the flowers might last you another week or 2. So it's a little tip. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.